Is you are a generational curse breaker. You were born into the family that you were born into to break down old structures and values. You are here to challenge the narcissists within your family. And unfortunately for some of you, you still have to deal with these narcissistic individuals. Now, some of these narcissistic individuals could be siblings, and they are carrying forth a certain energy from your forefathers, like say your great uncles or an auntie on your mother's side. There was an individual or individuals who carry the same traits that you may have experienced whilst growing up within this household. And you are here to make sure that these outdated values, these outdated systems do not continue. You are going through a transformation. You are healing your bloodline. You may have felt growing up that you were hidden, overlooked, and that was because you were different. You were here to bring change. And for some of you, you may have felt as though other people in your family were chosen over you and you were forgotten about. But that's not true. Spirit was working behind the scenes and wanted to keep your gifts and talents hidden. But you did stand up to certain say-sos. You didn't want to continue this toxic cycle anymore. You refused to bow down and back down. And for some of you, you were labeled difficult. You were outspoken. You believed in speaking your truth. Some of you will be very well-known public speakers if you tell your story. Some of you are going to make fantastic lawyers. You're able to pick up on certain personality traits from people. People can't lie to you. You're able to read the room because you learned many lessons with different personality types from a very young age. And that is the reason why your mind is sharp, my darling. That is the reason why you speak with power, authority. You're not here to hold back on your beliefs. You're here to speak your truth, and you're here to help others to speak their truth also. People that felt stifled by family systems, by society. You're here to make a change. What's hidden is you are the Empress. You carry the energy of a god or a goddess. You're very regal. People have no choice but to respect you, even if they refuse to, even if they try and outcast you, even if they try and make you believe that you are not who you are. You are loved by many. What's also hidden is that you face a lot of resentment and jealousy. People trying to ice you out. People trying to downplay your energy. People trying to make you feel like you're different, you don't belong. Where you connect to many different people from all walks of life. You are here to make a change. You confuse a lot of people. People cannot put you in a box. People see you as their family member. And your beauty and your grace and your charm can leave some people feeling upset and depressed. Those individuals that feel like they are more deserving than you due to a certain belief that they have in their head. You show others who they are not. People that want to pretend and act like they are the highest in the room and look down upon others. When they encounter you, when they encounter the truth, they can't cope. They literally can't cope. Because you are abundant. And the universe will always bless you. And yes, you will go through your trials and your tribulations, but it's all part of your soul's growth. It's what's going to make you resilient, my darling. And what's hidden is that you are loved. And some people can't understand this. Some people are so wrapped up in the mundane validation. How come you can get these blessings? How come you can get this loving partner? How come you attract certain people, opportunities? Because it's in your birthright. What's hidden is that you are highly intelligent. You are the defender of the weak, of the underdog. You trigger people into healing. And yes, you may have had people sending you spiritual attacks because they have been trying to block your abundance. But the thing is, what they don't understand is you have been assigned a mission by your ancestors, the ones that look out for you. And these individuals that come on your path, it's not by accident. Because maybe their ancestors and your ancestors were enemies in a past life. And maybe in this life they've come back to collect what they believe is theirs. But what they don't understand is them trying to come up against you is very detrimental. Because not only are they trying to block your blessings due to greed, due to them thinking that they are holier than thou, they're coming up against a whole army. Because you're here to break a generational curse. And by them trying to continue this theme without them even realizing, is racking up a whole heap of karma in their life, because they are getting in the way of a mission that is far greater than they will ever even be able to comprehend. You're here to break down those doors. You're here to make a change. You're here to show the next generation of your family line that they can be powerful and they can do it too. So whoever tries to get in your way to stop you from achieving what you're here to do, they are part of the problem. They are part of the generational curse. And maybe they came up, their energy came up with your ancestors in a past life. And your ancestors were unable to break free or overcome whatever these individuals did. But not you. You are a warrior. You are fearless. You channel the spirit of a warrior ancestor. You have so much power and authority. Even the way you walk, the way you move, signals regalness. But you have a sunny disposition that is so down to earth and playful and abundant. Sophisticated, charming, graceful. Leaving people confused. Because some of these individuals won't stop. They won't stop because they know no better. But like I said, they're coming up against not just you, your ancestors too. And that's why each time they try and send you spiritual attacks, they will always fail. Spirit is saying to cord cut and cleanse, to raise your vibrations, to pour into yourself and your creativity, and keep becoming the best version of you. Be an example. You could be of the signs Gemini, Scorpio, Virgo, Libra, Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Capricorn, Leo. You got what it takes. Ain't no secret. You know that.